Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're diving into a well-explained review of the Stash app. Whether you're new to investing or looking for a more hands-on approach, this app has been gaining attention for its simple user interface and personalized advice. In this video, we'll break down the features, costs, and overall experience to help you determine if Stash is right for you. First, let's talk about the key features that make Stash stand out. It's an investment app designed for beginners, allowing users to start with as little as $5. One of its most notable features is the ability to invest in fractional shares, which means you can own a piece of stocks or ETFs without needing large amounts of money. It's great for those just starting out or looking to diversify their investments with smaller contributions. Stash also offers different investment options, including personal, retirement, and custodial accounts. With retirement accounts like an IRA, you can start planning for the future, while personal accounts allow you to grow wealth for any financial goal. The custodial account option is ideal for parents wanting to invest for their children's future. The platform provides a variety of educational tools, investment insights, and personalized advice to help you make informed decisions. Now, let's take a look at the pricing structure. Stash offers 3 pricing tiers: Stash Beginner, Stash Growth, and Stash Plus, each with different features. The Stash Beginner plan starts at just $1 per month, giving you access to personalized advice and investment tools. The Growth plan, at $3 per month, adds more features including retirement accounts, while Stash Plus at $9 per month offers additional perks like 2x the investment options, a family account, and premium tools. While Stash has a lot to offer, it's not without its drawbacks. One potential downside is the monthly fee structure. While it's affordable for beginners, those who only plan on making small investments may find the fees stack up over time. Also, while the app is beginner-friendly, it's not as in-depth as other investment platforms. When it comes to advanced features, you might eventually outgrow Stash. If you're looking for more sophisticated trading options or better analytical tools. In conclusion, Stash is a solid app for beginners who want a simple, easy-to-use platform for learning about investing and building wealth. It's perfect for those just starting out or looking for a straightforward way to manage investments without complexity. If you're okay with the monthly fees and want a platform that helps you grow slowly and steadily, Stash is worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Stash app. Let me know in the comments if you've used Stash, or if you have any questions about the app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and app reviews here at Tutorial Lore. Thanks for watching.